Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for students. I'll be showing you how to join an Ellii pool once your teacher has launched one. So let's get started. To begin, your teacher will display a QR code and a link on the screen. You can use your phone or your tablet with a camera, open the camera app, and scan the QR code. You can also type the link into your mobile device's browser or your computer's browser. Once you enter the link into your browser, ellii.com/play, you'll be asked to enter the code. You can find this code displayed on your teacher's screen. Enter the code in the box and click the blue Next button. Here, enter the name you'd like to appear on the screen. Your first name works fine, and then click the blue Join button. A message will appear letting you know that you've joined the poll successfully and that your teacher will start it soon. Also look out for your name on your teacher's screen to make sure you've joined the poll. The rest of your classmates' names will appear on your teacher's screen, and your teacher will start the poll where you can begin to interact and answer the questions. From your device, you can answer the questions that are on your screen, and then click Submit at the bottom to send it to your teacher and begin discussing with the rest of the class. If at any point you ever need to leave the poll, just click the X button in the top right corner. That's it for this video on how to join an Ellii poll. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy learning!
Ellii.